Hi everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. In today's video, we are going to talk about arrays in JavaScript. So this is a very important topic in data structure and algorithm because arrays are the building blocks for many advanced concepts. Arrays are everywhere in programming, so let's learn them step by step. So first, let's understand what is an array. An array is a collection of elements stored inside one single variable. Instead of creating four different variables like num1, num2, num3, num4, we just put them in a single one array. Also, array use sometimes called indexes, which always start from 0. That means the first element is at index 0, second at index 1, and so on. Also, array in JavaScript can store not only numbers but also string, objects, or even a mix of different types. So let's see a practical example like here let number is equal to these square brackets, and the value are 10, 20, and 30 and 40. So let's see in VS Code. Let numbers is equal to square bracket 10, 20, 30, 40. If I console these numbers and run this, I get 10, 20, and 30 and 40. So this is called an array. This is how we can initialize this. Now you may ask, why do we even need arrays? Well, arrays makes it easy to store and manage data. They allow us fast traversal manipulation. Most importantly, arrays are the foundation of advanced data structure like stack, quiz, trees, and graphs. So if you learn array well, all those upcoming topics will be much easier for you. So there are mainly two ways to create arrays in JavaScript. First one is the square bracket. Second is the new array constructor. As this is the most common and recommended way by using the square bracket. This is the by using the square bracket and the values here in this. And the here in the new array constructor, this creates an array of length 5. But notice the value are empty. So in practice, most developers prefer the square bracket method. If I write here, let arr2 is equal to new array of 5. Now console this arr2 and check what is the output. It say 5 empty items. It say it is an array, but it is a 5 empty item. Now once we have an array, how do we go through its element? That's called traversal. So there are multiple ways in JavaScript by using for loop, for off loop, for each loop. Basically these are only in the JavaScript, not in the other languages. So because only JavaScript supports for off loop, for each loop, and for loop is common for all the C++ and Java. So let's see in the practical way. So like here, let arr is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. And if I write for let I equal to 0, I smaller than array dot length and I plus plus. Now here I have to write console.log arr of I. So if I run this, I get 10, 20, and 30 and 40. So this prints all elements one by one using the index. Now next one is the for off loop. So for off loop, let num of array and console this num. If I run this, I get 10, 20, and 30 and 40. See this 10, 20, and 30 and 40. Both are the same, but difference is here I am just accessing the element by using this index I. This is called index, and here I am just getting this by using the JavaScript for of loop. Next one is the forEach method. So for this, I have to just write one line. Here are dot forEach num and console this num, just this, and see, all of these three for loops are giving the same output, whether it is simple for o, for each. Both are, all three are giving it 10, 20, and 30 and 40. So this is a built-in method and very clean and often used in modern JavaScript, a single line method. So let's quickly recap what we learned today. An array is a collection of elements stored in a single variable. Indexing starts from 0, and array can be created using the square bracket or new array constructor, and traversal can be done using the for loop, for of loop, and for each loop. And arrays are the foundation of DSA, so make sure you are comfortable with them. In the next video we will go deeper and learn about array methods, which makes array really powerful. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to JDCodebase.